Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 992 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out one of the products from my October 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. This is a mini version of the Lottie London Slay All Day Long Wear Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I got this in the shade Fleek. I've heard a lot about Lottie London, but I've really only tried out one product from them before, which was an eyeliner. And I love liquid lipsticks, especially long-lasting ones, so I'm really excited to try this. I would say that Lottie London is pretty affordable. And Dexter's back. Although Dexter is so sneaky. Last time he was up here, he took my brand new beauty sponge and chewed it up, and I didn't even notice. So I have to make sure he doesn't steal anything else off of the desk in front of me. But as I was saying, the full-size version of this retails for $6.49. All right, so first off, I want to go ahead and swatch it. So there's a little doe foot applicator, so tiny. And let's see how the shade looks. Ooh, it actually looks like a really pretty kind of nude peachy pink shade. I'm excited to see how this is going to look on my lips because the description says that this is a perfect October shade. But from the swatch here, it looks like it might just be a perfect all year-round type of shade. It's also supposed to be hydrating, and we're really going to be able to see if that's the truth because my lips feel very chapped right now. All right, let's see how it looks. Oh wow, it's super pigmented, and it doesn't have quite like a liquidy texture. It kind of has more of that balm texture, which I like. I like that you really just need one layer to get full opaque color. It's very pigmented. And I feel like because of that balm texture, it makes it very crisp and precise to apply, so you can get very smooth edges, so you don't even need a lip liner. And with that balm texture, it just makes it feel more hydrating on the lips. But yay, I really am happy with this shade. It was what I was kind of hoping for. It is just like basically like a nude pinky red, which I feel like is a very versatile shade. Like I was saying, good for year round, and it's also one of those shades that can really transition from day to night. So this is the type of shade that I reach for a lot. I also feel like it goes with all the different types of makeup looks, whether it's like what I have on now, which is more minimal makeup, or if I have a colorful or a smoky eyeshadow type of look. You really can't go wrong with a shade like this, especially when it's this beautiful of a formula as well. So full opaque pigment, so smooth on my lips, and I was saying how my lips were feeling chapped, but it's completely smooth. It didn't cling to any dry patches, so my lips look smoothed out. I'm so happy with this formula, and I'm so amazed by how inexpensive it is because this is, in my opinion, a perfect liquid lipstick formula. I also feel like it has dried down, like it is not going to budge. So I'm gonna do a kiss test and see if there's any transfer. Yeah, as I expected, barely any transfer, just the tiniest little outline there, but it looks perfect on my lips still, completely intact. So this truly is long lasting, but it doesn't have that dry, matte, uncomfortable feeling that those really long lasting liquid lipsticks can tend to have. It's so comfortable, yet so stuck on. So this can last all day, which is what I want my lipsticks to do. So this is a lipstick that I would definitely want to get in other colors. So if you have tried out the Lottie London Slay All Day liquid lipsticks, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and let me know if you have any favorite colors that you would recommend me picking up. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.